Hello guys, today I would like to share something which I have been struggling for a few hours. So I finally found method how to intro CV2 in Bash. I did it here before a few hours back. I was not able to import OpenCV2. So I was really doing so hard to solve this problem, but I couldn't. There's no proper. I couldn't say proper. There's no very clear way of installing OpenCV2 in YouTube videos. So I would like to share this with you guys. So as you can see over here, I installed this one Python 3 over here. See, I installed Python 3. So I was trying to import Matplotlib and NumPy, and then I tried to import OpenCV, so it couldn't import because I was not able to install it. So I went to web, and then I finally got this link which you can get the information how to download or install OpenCV2 on your system, which you have to use this terminal command, which is pip install OpenCV. That Con read, I mean Python. This is for this command is uh, for the Python 2, which I already have. For the Mac, Python 2 is already pre-installed, so you don't have to install Python 2. But if in the case of Python 3 you have to install Python 3, then you have to do it. So I'm going to give a demonstration on how to do it on Python 2, which is pip install OpenCV dash conrib dash Python. So if you want to install OpenCV for Python 3, then you have to type pip3 here. So which I already did here over here. Uh, See, I was not able to do that because pip actually was not installed while I was trying to do that, because I didn't install pip for Python 2. So it's saying bash pip command not found, and then I try with the pip3 install this package, OpenCV package. So then I finally able to download and install it, and it's working fine right now. As import CV2. Okay, excuse me, I need to go. I didn't close this, refresh this command, this terminal, so I better go here and Python 3 import CV2, and there we go. CV2 is already working fine here right now, importing fine. So for the Python 3 you have to type this line, which is pip3 install. I'm going to put this command line in the description below so you can refer it. Then for Python 2.7, if you want to install OpenCV, then you have to say pip tool install pip install and then the package name. Then it's going to download here. So it's collecting, it's downloading. So that's how you do actually how you install the OpenCV on your system for Python 2 or Python 3. So mainly we do with the Python 3, so that's the right command which you all need. And to import in your system, you have to say this Python 3 import CV2. So it's working fine, and thanks for watching.